Yeah! I'm about to win! Elliot, what have you done? Why did you switch it? What? No! Five Nights at Freddy's! I'll get my Minecraft back! The game is mine! No, it's mine! No, it's mine! I want to play alone! Don't touch me! You don't touch me! Every man for himself from now on! What do you have there? So that's your design? Mine is a masterpiece! This is you in the shower! Whoops! Wrong paper! Here's my design! Well, well, well! What's the plan? Oh, I'm on Elliot's half! That's even better! I need a workbench! Great! And now I'm going to make a pickaxe! It's my favorite tool to work with! I'm about to give this place a grand makeover! Phew! I haven't built anything yet, and I'm already tired. Dragging heavy stuff alone is tough. Hello there! You're not alone. Hi, Freddy, my pal. I'll help you build the room. This couch has to go. Great! A pickaxe is my best friend. Well, should we start building? What? Elliot has a sidekick? I want a friend too! No! Wrong! No good! Oh, there! My pal! Come on, Egg! Hi! I'm your buddy! See that couple over there? Time is ticking, losers! And we're a step ahead! We have to be way cooler than them! Whoa! Well done, buddy! Good job! Watch the time, fellas! Move! I'll show them we can build too! See what I did? Ta-da! Do you like my strong house? We gotta hurry up, Elliot! You're really struggling! Can I help you? Come on, it's no big deal. Look, blocks for you. Isn't it awesome? Uh-huh. Anytime, guys. Would you lend us some explosives? Okay. Sure, here you go. I'm not a fan of Minecraft at all. Whoops! Ouch! My foot! I've got a plan. Look, that's safe. Yeah, it looks super safe to me. Whoops! Wow, bro! Whoa. You pulled off a great frame. You're dealing with a pro. Here comes the roof. Losers! Hey, look! They stole our idea. Freddy Fazbear, take care of it. What? Where's our house? You destroyed our house! And we're gonna blow up yours! Are you okay? My bad! We went overboard! Let's be construction friends! Truce? Deal! No more explosions! Phew! Well done, Freddy Fazbear! Mike, guess which hand? Wrong! The other one! You fooled me, bud! Their wall is actually cooler than ours! Here's the surprise! Bro, good thinking! What you got, Elliot? We gotta fix this! this house. The wall is amazing. Whoops! Our wall! I knew it! Losers! The alarm is on. No one's gonna enter my room from now on. I wonder how they're doing. Oh no! There's an advanced security system. It has a passcode. Guys, did you remember the password Mike set? Comment it down below. Oh, many thanks. I can go in now. Sup? Gosh, help me! Check this out. They are already playing. I figured out a way to end their game. Bye, power! What? Hey, where'd the power go? We're evil geniuses! Oh, it's back! What did you do? Turn the power off! Finish what you started! Again? That was the most exciting part! What do I do now? I thought of something! Come on, spin faster! I want to complete this level! Let's sneak some pimple elixir onto their pizza! That's a great prank! Hey guys, have some pizza! This is for you! Enjoy! Doesn't look like it's poison. So good! Look at yourself! You are covered in pimples! Look at you! Ew! I have to pop this! Look! A new figurine from Freddy's! I have one too!
Whoa.
These pimples must be magical! I want them! Give me the pimple elixir! Whoa! It worked! Now we have Minecraft figures too! Sweet flowers! Our room smells amazing! Good thinking, right? Yeah! It even made me feel like playing! Look! They have flowers! Yeah! We need them too! Look! I made a great flower for us! So nice! But it doesn't smell like anything! Look! A pizza! It smells like a spring meadow! See? Our flowers are also scented! It's chilly here! Oh, Freddy! That's what's gonna keep me warm! Hold on! The toy is mine! It doesn't have your name on it! I touched it first! No! Give me my teddy back! I won't! Fine! Let's settle this argument like real men! We're about to find out who's stronger! What? Nah, I hate these outfits! We can do better! Kaya! Nope! It's not gonna cut it either!
No!
Dogs? You gotta be kidding me! Oh yeah! The battle of the century is about to begin! Rock, paper, scissors! Rochambeau! Rochambeau! What happened, man? I'm hungry! I'll order a pizza for us! Nice idea! The best pizza in town for you! Thank you for your order! Wow! We got pizza! They need our sword! Hurry up! Need a knife? We'll help you! Awesome! The pizza's great! The game's great too! There are enough game controllers to go around! And we won't fight ever again! Playing together is way more fun!